How does ocean chemistry impact marine ecosystems? Imagine a world where the very chemistry of the ocean is changing faster than many marine creatures can adapt. That's what is happening today because of increased carbon dioxide levels in seawater. When carbon dioxide dissolves into the ocean, it forms carbonic acid, which makes the water more acidic. This process is called ocean acidification, and it's a key part of how ocean chemistry influences marine life. Many marine animals like corals, mollusks, and some tiny plankton depend on carbonate ions in seawater to build their shells and skeletons. When the water becomes more acidic, the availability of these carbonate ions drops. That makes it harder for these creatures to grow and maintain their protective structures. Their shells can become thinner or even start to dissolve, leaving them more vulnerable to predators and environmental stress. It's not just animals that are affected. Fish larvae and young fish often face higher death rates in more acidic waters. Changes in ocean chemistry can also mess with their ability to find food or avoid danger because their sensory systems don't work as well. This can lead to fewer fish surviving to adulthood, which impacts the entire food chain. Since many of these calcifying creatures from the base of the food web, their decline can cause problems higher up. For example, fish that humans catch for food or marine mammals that relying on fish for sustenance may find less food available. Coral reefs, which are home to countless species, become weaker and less able to recover from damage. This results in a loss of biodiversity and fewer benefits for humans who depend on healthy oceans. Interestingly, some marine plants like certain algae and seagrasses might actually grow better with more carbon dioxide because it helps them photosynthesize. But overall, the balance of marine ecosystems shifts as sensitive species struggle and the natural interactions between species change. Ocean chemistry also often worsens because of other issues like rising sea temperatures and lower oxygen levels. These combined stresses make it even harder for marine life to survive and thrive. Many species have evolved over millions of years in stable conditions, but the rapid changes today could be too much for them to handle. For people, these changes mean less fish to catch, less seafood to eat, and challenges for industries that rely on the ocean. Protecting marine ecosystems involves reducing carbon dioxide emissions and supporting efforts to help vulnerable species and habitats adapt to these chemical shifts. Understanding how ocean chemistry impacts marine life helps us see why keeping our oceans healthy is so important for all of us.